Welcome back. Plenty to unpack this morning, so have a seat on the couch. Let's take a look at things here. Let's start here with a winter storm watch that's in effect until about the midnight time frame on Thursday. Note that is not the full system moving in, but just a piece of it that'll be moving in, causing some issues that will begin to move in soon. Let's zoom things out. For now, we're quiet. Not too much going on at this point. We're watching just some clouds that are moving in, but that system is off toward the south and west near the Colorado area, so we have a Colorado low developing right about in here. It's going to track off towards the north and east over time and become a surface low. So that means it's going to be moving rather slowly over the next few days. It'll arrive in our neck of the woods Tuesday night into Wednesday. Pretty much lasts until about the Saturday time frame before things start to taper off. But we're going to break this down piece by piece because this could also become a vertically stacked low. So that means the intensity could also be kind of all over the place. It's also going to cause some storms to develop in the southern U.S. and that could also influence how much moisture we could see. So let's break down the system right now that's going to be developing as we move toward the week, and here we are Tuesday morning with some rain across parts of the Midwest, a little bit of a wintry mix and some snow further off towards the north and thunderstorms further down toward the south. We'll be watching this thing moving in as we head towards early Wednesday morning. We'll be seeing a little bit of snow, a little bit of a wintry mix possible, so some sleet, some freezing rain possible, regular rain too. All the precipitation types could take place, and then we'll get this moving through and try to switch over to some snow and maybe back and forth from time to time, but also a little bit of a break could develop too with that initial line that will be moving through. But as the area of low pressure moves in, it starts to intensify, and we're going to be watching for the chance for more snow that could develop as we head towards Thursday afternoon. And those chances could linger into Friday and possibly into Saturday with gusty winds as well. But again, lots of uncertainty there beyond Thursday. So that's why we're keeping an eye on this and breaking this down piece by piece. So here's what we do know. At least for Wednesday morning at around 7 a.m., you're not going to wake up with a lot of snow. In fact, some of you may not see much of anything, maybe half inch to an inch before we're all finished up, depending on what precipitation you do see with the temperature profiles. But the general thinking right now, at least through early Thursday morning at around 2 a.m. or so, 2 to 4 inches of snow possible as we head towards your Wednesday. So that's what we're going to see by that point possibly. And a little bit of ice that could try to mix in as well. So that could help to hold the snow totals down. Some areas could see up to 0.2 of an inch of ice in some areas. That will cause some travel issues, maybe power outages in a few spots too. But those further out towards the north and east, not much ice expected. So we should be okay as we head further north. So here's the breakdown here. So precipitation starts Tuesday night, a wintry mix that will transition to snow in general. Roads will be messy throughout this event with winds up to 45 miles per hour. The whole event is spread out. So we're talking a few inches of snow and 1/10 of an inch or 2/10 of an inch of ice on Wednesday, with more possibly developing later on as we head towards Thursday, Friday, near Saturday, mainly as snow and lots of uncertainty. The surface is a surface low and it could become vertically stacked. So that means things could change in a big hurry, and that does mean the forecast will change fast. So definitely stay tuned as it does develop. So that's why we're breaking this down piece by piece with just 2 to 4 inches of snow as we head towards Wednesday. Upper 20s, lower 30s are those current temperatures right now, so nothing too ridiculous at this point, but we're not going to warm up all that much. Lower 30s on the way today, mostly cloudy. That southeast wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And for tonight, middle 20s, mostly cloudy. That southeast breeze getting up to about 25 miles per hour. And that Northwoods furniture and mattress 7-day forecast. So again, we're dry on Tuesday, mostly cloudy, highs in the lower 30s. Tuesday night and the parts of Wednesday, that's when that wintry mix gets going again, about 2 to 4 inches of snow in general before we're all finished up, maybe 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice before we gradually transition to snow Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. Lots of uncertainty. We'll keep you posted as it does develop.